Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of POCO M2 Pro smartphone. So here you can see this is the box of POCO M2 Pro smartphone. So now quickly open it. Okay, in top we get the small box. Let's check what we get inside it. So here we get the SIM ejector tool, and this is the reading manual, and guys, this is the premium quality transparent TPU case. I would like to say this is the premium quality transparent TPU case. So we keep this aside, and guys, this is the phone. So here's the phone itself. We come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. So here we get the so this is a really good thing. Here we get the USB Type-C cable. We get the USB Type-C to USB cable, and guys, this is the big charger. Here we get a big charger. Here you can see a very big charger, and if we talk about its output, it will give you 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 3 ampere, 12 volt 2.25 ampere, 20 watt 1.35 ampere, and 11 watt 3 ampere maximum. Guys, it is a super fast charger. It is of 33 watt. This is the 33 watt fast charger come in the box. So that's all we get in the box. Now keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Quickly remove its plastic cover. So here you can see, guys, this is the phone. Here you can see this is the phone, and if we talk about its quality, which is really main thing, its build quality. If we talk about its build quality, it is really premium, and if we talk about the touch and feel, it looks great. The premium build quality of this phone is superb. I would like to inform you that the premium build quality of this phone is superb with texture and design over there, you can see. And if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the IR blaster, main microphone. On this side we get the volume up and down and side mounted fingerprint with the power on off key, and on bottom we get the main speaker, secondary microphone, USB Type-C port, and here we get the 3.5 mm headphone jack, and on this side we get the SIM tray. Now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. So guys, this is a really good thing. It supports 2 nano SIM with the dedicated micro SD card slot. And on back it has a quad camera setup, 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel quad camera setup over there, you can see, and flash. Here is the font of 48 megapixel quad camera setup. And in front it has a 16 megapixel front camera in screen. It has in display camera. Now quickly boot this up and set up the device. By the time it boots up and a setup, I will give you its configuration overview. It has a Snapdragon 720G 8nm octa-core processor. It has 6.6 inch Full HD plus IPS LCD screen. If we talk about the internal storage, it has 128.6 and 64 4GB internal storage variant available with UFS 2.1 support. It has dual nano SIM with a dedicated micro SD card slot support. If we talk about the rear camera, it has quad rear camera, 48 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel with depth sense. It has 16 megapixel with f2.5 aperture front camera, and if we talk about the battery, it has 5000 mAh battery and you get the 33-watt fast charger in the box, and it is running on MIUI 11 Android 10, and for better security it has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock. So here you can see I have set up the device. This is the UI of POCO M2 Pro. Okay, if we start from top, we get the notification center, helpful quick setting, and brightness adjustment feature is also available. And if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. You can see we get the app drawer, and if we double slide, we can see the hide applications. Okay, and if we slide here, we get the Google feedback feature available. Okay, now quickly go to settings and check how much storage we get out of 64 GB. So here you can see out of 64 GB we get the 44.96 GB available. And if we talk about the system storage, you can see this is the system storage over there, 15.57 GB system is using storage. And here's the cleaner feature is also available, you can see. And guys, if we talk about its Android security patch level, it is of 1.6.2020 and the Android version is Android 10. It is running on Android 10 MIUI 11. And here we get the all specification. You can see device name, device model, MIUI version for POCO, Android version, Android security patch level, RAM, model, CPU, baseband version, kernel version, internal storage, and status. Battery level, and SIM status is also available. Here you can see Wi-Fi MAC address, IP address, IMEI number of SIM slot 2 and 1, and Bluetooth address. Okay. Now quickly check its camera performance. It has quad rear camera. Okay, so if we go in camera, so you can see this is the UI of POCO M2 Pro camera. If we slide here, we get the video, short video, and slow motion mode. And here we get the 48 megapixel portrait, night, panorama, and pro mode available. And if we tap here, we get the camera frame, timer, tilt shift, grid lines, straighten, macro mode, Google Lens, and scan documentation mode is also available. You can scan the document. And if you go in camera setting, watermark and live tapes is available. Picture quality is high, standard, and low. Focus and shoot feature is also available. And if you talk about the anti-banding, it supports up to 60 Hz. And if you tap here, we get some filters and beauty mode. And guys, this is the pro color mode, and this is the AI camera. You can see this is the AI camera, and this is the HDR. Tap to turn it on, auto and off. And this is the flash. Same for this. Tap to turn it off, auto, on, or use it as a torch. Okay, now quickly take a photo and check its camera performance. So guys, you can see this is the watermark over there. You can see POCO shot on POCO M2 Pro. Now quickly take another photo. Guys, I'd like to say camera quality is good. You can see the camera quality is good. You can see no exposure in photo. The camera quality is really good. It rendered natural color. You can see it rendered natural color. The camera quality is really good. And if we talk about the 48 megapixel camera, let's check this out. It captures really very fast. Guys, camera quality is really good. You can see if we zoom in, we didn't lose the photo quality. You can see if we zoom in, we didn't lose the photo quality. Or you can see if we zoom in, we didn't lose the photo quality. The camera quality is really good. It render natural color without any exposure. Okay, and if we go in video, okay guys, this is a really good thing. It records up to 4K at 30 frames per second. And if we go in settings, so here we can see, if we go in video encoder, here you can see two are available, high compatibility and high performance. Image stabilization is also available. This is a really good thing. It supports electronic image stabilization. Now quickly record a 4K and check its video quality. This is the 4K Ultra HD recording. Yeah, video quality is really very good. The video quality is also good. And here we get the ultra wide camera. You can see here we get the ultra wide camera. Let's take a photo in ultra wide camera and check its performance. Wait, first go to photo, and here you can see it is in ultra wide mode. Guys, I would like to say camera quality is really good, no doubt. Camera quality is good. Not superb, but the camera quality is good. Okay, now quickly check its side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance. If we talk about its fingerprint performance, here I tap and it unlock. I tap and it unlock. I tap and it unlock. Here you can see I tap and it unlock. Sometimes I feel short delay, but overall the fingerprint sensor performance is good. It is fast and responsive. You can see I tap and hit unlock with a short delay. Sometime. Okay, and if we talk about its face unlock, I am not seeing. I see and it unlock. You can see a vibration feedback will notify you. I'm not seeing. I see and it unlock. Okay, CV and it unlock. You can see. Look at me and it unlock. Guys, fingerprint and face unlock performance is really very fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing and review of POCO M2 Pro smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.